little turn. Back wheels. And most stuff.
Will you look at that? I actually have a fella on video reading directions. That's pretty impressive if I do say so myself. He picked up this cart one day when I let him go into Northern Tool while I was in Hobby Lobby. And I can tell you, it has been a good one. I am really enjoying it. Yep, he's a keeper. He has talked for years and years about wanting a rose garden. To be honest, I've never grown roses, but I'm willing to try. And I figured this was as good a year as any. These are all bush roses. I don't really have a place yet for vining roses or running roses, although I would like to have some. I've seen a variety called Tangerine Sky that is a climbing rose that I would really love to put up a pretty trellis and put some on at some point in the future. I will be getting some food for these roses and some mulch to put around the tops here so that we can keep the moisture in. I decided to put them in these rings so that if we ever do want to have a bigger rose bed, we can move these or leave them, whichever. Now we'll give them each a drink and watch them grow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.